Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. This week we've been learning about symmetry in Islamic garden design, and today we're going to focus on symmetry in Moroccan tiles, known as zellige, and use this as inspiration to design our own tiles, like my one here. Let's get started. For today's activity, you'll need a printed copy of page 4 to 6 of the worksheet, coloured pens or pencils, a ruler and a pencil. Start by drawing in the lines of symmetry on both tiles on pages 4 and 5. You can use a mirror to help you find where these are, like I'm doing here. Now colour in both tiles using the photos of zellige on page 3 to help you get a real Moroccan flavour. Remember that the tiles must be symmetrical with the colours you use too, and so use the lines of symmetry you drew to help you get this right. Can you see that this tile has 4-fold rotational symmetry? Because we can rotate it on its centre point 4 times and it will look the same each time. It also has 4-fold mirror symmetry because the tile can be reflected along 4 lines, horizontal, vertical and 2 diagonals. Now it's time to put your understanding of symmetry to the test. Using the blank template on page 6, begin to draw out your own Moroccan tile using your pencil and ruler. If you own a compass, you can use this to make circular patterns too. You can decide how many lines of symmetry your design has, as long as it has at least 2-fold mirror symmetry or 4-fold rotational symmetry. If you're feeling confident, include both. You can check its rotational symmetry with tracing paper and its lines of symmetry with a mirror, like I'm doing here. Once you've finished drawing the design, colour it in using your pens or pencils. Can you see that my design has 4-fold mirror symmetry and 4-fold rotational symmetry? When you're happy with your final design, make sure to keep it somewhere safe, ready for the next English Through Gardening activity. I hope you've enjoyed learning about symmetry today, and as always, make sure to share your designs with us at REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!